This is the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for Monday, the 16th of October. I'm Michael Groff. Very warm conditions through Wednesday, but then a small cooling trend as we go toward the end of the week and into the weekend. But by next week, the potential for record heat returns to the valley. By the way, today is the 54th consecutive day without measurable precipitation in the valley. And how long is that streak going to go on? Well, we'll talk about it all as we look outside this morning here at the absolutely ludicrous hour of 5 a.m. Clear skies out there right now. 73 degrees at Sky Harbor, dew points at 32, humidity 22%. The winds are calm and the barometer is rising. Temperatures around the area this morning, 58 in Buckeye, 60 at Maricopa, 62 in Glendale. Most of the rest of the metro area is in the upper 60s to middle 70s to start the day. Water vapor satellite view, big ridge here in the southwest, and that's going to be responsible for the above average temperatures through at least Wednesday. The watch warning map is pretty quiet. Some wind advisories throughout parts of the west and some red flag warnings as well. Frost advisories for parts of Kansas, Nebraska, Missouri, and Iowa as the growing season is winding down there. Severe weather outlook for today. No organized areas of severe weather expected anywhere across the contiguous United States. And rainfall around here for the next 7 days. Nothing for the valley. Perhaps less than 1/10 of an inch in parts of northern Arizona up along the rim, and perhaps in parts of far southern Arizona. And we'll talk about why that is right now as we take a look at the models and see what's happening. This is the GFS. It's the 06Z run, valid at 5 o'clock Mountain Standard Time today. This is the upper look at 500 millibars, about 18,000 feet up. 591 ridge sitting here across the southwest. And what that means for today down at the surface, sunny skies and another warm one. Highs in the mid to upper 90s, and the warmest desert spots of Southern California and perhaps far southwest Arizona could touch the century mark. The air mass is extremely dry, though, so tonight, clear skies. Lows will drop into the upper 50s and the cool spots to near 70 in the urban core. Tomorrow, sunny and warm again. A very dry air mass, highs in the mid to upper 90s. Pretty much the same thing on Wednesday, mid to upper 90s, sunny skies, troughing beginning to set in across the Pacific Northwest. Some of the models had hinted that this trough may start to affect us later in the week, Thursday, Friday, bringing us the chance of some rain. But now it appears that all that energy is going to stay north. On Thursday, rain for around Eureka, California, up towards Seattle and into western Canada. Snow for the highest elevations. Same thing on Friday, rain and snow to our north. And then Saturday, that trough continues to pass by. Now, temperatures will dip down late in the week. We'll have highs back toward the low 90s, but still a couple of degrees above average, we think. Then on Sunday, low to mid 90s are likely as ridging really starts to build in across the west. And then we see that for a week from today. This is Monday, the 23rd of October. That's a 594 heat bubble there across California. And so big old ridge here. That means temperatures well above average, mid and upper 90s. The European is actually printing out highs in excess of 100 degrees early next week. Not sure it gets quite that hot, but it is going to be above average. We got a cutoff low down there over the Rio Grande. And same thing as we go to Tuesday. And then here is the end of the 10-day forecast period. This is Wednesday, the 25th of October. Ridging sliding off the west coast, building into the northeast Pacific. Some troughing will try to build on in across the Intermountain West, the northern Rockies. The heights will come down a bit and temperatures should back off just a bit as well. Highs getting back toward about the 90-degree mark. But still, the air mass will remain dry, and it does not appear that we'll have any chance of precipitation anytime soon. Temperatures coming off of the GFS ensemble through the period. Wow. Warm for the next few days, a bit of a dip as we head toward the weekend, and then temperatures recovering again next week. And we could be getting pretty close to a few record highs next week, depending on how that ridge sets up. And that'll do it for the Phoenix, Arizona weather discussion for today. My next video back here tomorrow morning. Thanks as always so much for watching. Really do appreciate it. If you like our videos, be sure to subscribe so that whenever we post a brand new one, you'll get the notification. Otherwise, be safe out there. Stay cool. It's going to be hot, and have a great Monday.